Oh, the other side. Very high.
This is a journey, road trip up on the hillside. Work team bus this, you know. Hillside Travelment. They say, oh, sitting over there. Yes, man. Travel, we are travel on the hillside and go up, you know. Yeah, man, on the hillside we are go, man. See it, man, hillside we reach now. See there? Upper hillside. Hillside Army. Hold him, Raka, hold him. Hillside Production. Yes, man. Big water tank there. Whole community soon have water, you know. It's up in the bush then say slave horse, eh? Slave horse. And the chain a shake. Shing along, 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 along. Yeah, fire burn. I get one half and 2 dozen breadfruit put in here now with some ackee, you know? Yeah.
Huh?
Fire there with a roast breadfruit up in the countryside. Yeah. You know, we there do some work on the tank, you know? Yeah, man.
Put the right foot there, yeah. Well, I'm in there. I'll try to go putting a no.
Like what is start cool. If you can't just very easier.
Yeah, but you can't hold one period of
Yeah, pure one period, so you know.
And I put the second and I go. That's enough. You see that steel there? That's
Empty them, man.
I just push your mouth here and hold the ball out. And catch it over here. And you knock out the different first. You keep this there, well, brother. You need to stay there where
Beacon going out, you know?
you know to the water there. A crutch door.
This. Yeah, man, a crutch,
Yeah,
man.
man, the crutch, man. That is it only like a person, man.
Yeah, man, I'm foot a crutch, man.
The crutch.
That's why I have it for flash up on, man.
The crutch, man. And do some way that's man. About things you remember when you get the box side, you couldn't manage. You couldn't do it. No, that's it. Right, set the book over on the amigo. Set the book there. Right, set the book on. Whoop in the main session. Ask the man, see what they have my book for you. Less than 5 minutes after.
So, thank you. What size tank this? It's a bedroom, this.
14. He did what he said.